Hello class. I made a biome this week for Unit 1 Lab 1 and made two of them, one for shade, one for sunny. I started this on the 4th. It's been about 5 days. Lab number 1. These are all the materials I'll need. I have luckily I already had some river pebbles. Chose gold bush beans and my wife's water bottles. Hopefully she won't miss them. Hey buddy, you ready to start this lab? Let's go. As you can see, my 2.5-year-old son was my assistant on this project and he enjoyed it immensely. I was actually surprised. I think about 2 days went by, I started to see the first bud, and that was in the sunny biome. In the beginning, I saw a lot of condensation, moisture in the soil, and that continued on throughout. But I think when the rain came, the sunny one in the window shade wasn't getting nearly as much sunshine and less heat, less condensation. It was at this point I started to notice, maybe on the 3rd or 4th day, that the shade biome near my water heater was doing very well. It was actually growing consistently more fast than my one in the sun was. So I'm not sure. I want to say that I know for a fact the shady one, the plants have grown a lot taller. There's 3 of them in that one. Only 2 buds grew in the sunny one. But I want to say maybe the weather kind of impeded it a little bit, having less sunshine. As far as climate, it's an atmospheric condition that exists over a large region and relatively long periods of one time. I would say that Virginia's climate, where I live, is not too hot, not too cold. It's kind of temperate. We get cold winters and hot, humid summers. A biome, on the other hand, is areas that have similar climatic conditions. Some major types of biomes would be aquatic, desert, forest, grasslands, and tundra. What type of biome do I think I live in? I would say Virginia. I would say the area I live in is a lot of forest around me, so I would say maybe a temperate forest biome. This project has ecosystem services. I would say provide food, it's provisioning services, climate regulating, that falls within the region of regulating services, recreation, culture. Obviously, it was kind of enjoyable, spiritual to see something grow and start new. And I would say soil formations, setting up the soil project would be a supporting service. As far as my predictions on how long this will last, I would say that like my son outgrows his clothes, this plant is probably going to outgrow this bag pretty soon. I would predict within the month. So after that, I'm probably going to have to transplant it out to my garden, and we'll see from there. This is Ricky Talbott on Unit 1, Project 1, and hopefully that's it. Looking forward to the next project. Bye.